for a while now, I've had this horrible thing called Safe Search, and every time I see it, I basically go and disable it because it really, really bugs me.
What's safe about an app that just annoys you?
So the first thing we're going to do is, this is Safe Search. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see Yahoo. I can only assume that these guys are profiting from the Safe Search. I don't even see why you would need Safe Search anyway. Standard search is pretty freaking safe. So we're going to go to the menu in Chrome. You're going to scroll down to Settings here, okay? In Settings, we're going to type in SEARCH, Search, and we're going to scroll down to Search Engine Change, and as you can see, it is set to Secure Search. I didn't set this, it was set automatically, so we're going to set this back to Google.
Yay, we did it!
Now, to make sure that this doesn't happen again, because it is very annoying, we're going to go to your Start menu, and we are going to type in Add. Now, this might be different in Windows 11, but it should still work, I believe. Add or remove programs. Excellent. So a screen like this should appear, which basically allows you to search for apps. Now, the particular app we are looking for is called WebAdvisor by McAfee. I don't know how on earth I installed this, but anyway, let's uninstall this. Web protection. No thanks, just uninstall it. As you guys can see, we are now uninstalling the program.
Bye-bye!
Web protection by McAfee.
See you later.
Let's type in hi instead, and there we go, we're back to Google. Hope you found this video useful, and I have to say, McAfee, right? You've got a good reputation for being a good company, right? This kind of thing destroys your reputation, because this is more like a virus than anything else, in my view. Anyway, guys, hope you found that useful, and goodbye.